Hey guys! So since I got Camtasia Studio fully set up on my iMac, on my M3 iMac, and I got Windows for Workgroups 3.11 fully set up in 86 box, so what I'm going to be doing today is doing a little experimenting with Windows for Workgroups 3.11 on the internet. So what we're going to be doing is showing you how well it works with some modern sites, or as well as looking at the old net, of course. So to get Windows for Workgroups 3.11 on the internet, all you need is a compatible network card, and not just that, you're going to need TCP/IP fully installed, so you can be able to obtain an IP address. So with that being said, let's look at two different browsers and demonstrate how well it handles the internet, of course. So we're going to be looking at the highest version of Internet Explorer that Windows for Workgroups 3.11 can support. And of course, what we have here is the 16-bit version of Internet Explorer. So this is Internet Explorer version 5, the highest version that Windows for Workgroups 3.11 can support. Same with Windows NT Workstation 3.51. So let's look at the year, make this era appropriate. Let's look at, see if it can load up ZThing or Microsoft. So ZThing requires flash, so that's a bummer. So let's go ahead and see how well Google handles Internet Explorer on Windows for Workgroups 3.11. So let's look up at Windows for Workgroups 3.11. Let's see what comes up. Even though this is like a stripped down version of Google. And of course it is going to be on the slow side. Let's see if we can load YouTube, even though it probably wouldn't. Even though YouTube can't, there's a bit on the heavyweight side. Let's look up Wikipedia. If I could type it in. Let's see if we could pull up Facebook. Well, you're going to keep in mind not many websites work. So let's see. We'll go back to the old net. So you want to keep in mind that not many modern websites will work on this old browser. But there is an alternative web browser you can use, which is Netscape version 4.08. So let's take a look at Netscape. Oh, it looks like we got an error. So with that being said, I had to reboot my virtual machine because unfortunately I had a crash. So let's go back to Netscape Navigator to show you how well it can handle certain websites. Even though we may have to use the old net. So let me show you the version real quick. So let's go ahead and go back to that old net site. So let's go to the year 2000. Let's look at xpage.com. This was a site where you can build websites back in the day. Since we ain't gonna be able to try and do the modern internet, we could be able to use the old websites using the old net with these old web browsers. But the only thing is, it does require certain plugins, like a specific version of those. Like if you need a specific version of Flash or Java. So it looks like it's trying to start Java. And of course it froze on me, so despite this being on the slow side, it is going to intend to freeze. Which it takes a while for the security info thing to pop up. You know, with Internet Explorer, it usually comes up real quick. We'll go ahead and close out before it starts completely freezing though, but just a little short demonstration of it being on the internet. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video, and thanks for watching.